I'm just putting the finishing touches on this hand. I'm going to put him back on his base today. And I apologize for the quick exit yesterday from the video, but my battery died and all I had was my iPhone. And I'm not used to sending videos via my iPhone, and I didn't know whether it would even get to my email. I've done it in the past where it took 2 or 3 days before it even got in my email, but it got there pretty quick. So I was able to exit out halfway decent. All right, I'm going to attach him now to the base. I think I'm ready to do that. Well, wait a minute. I got a little cleaning up to do on the legs of the warrior, and I'll do that now. Yesterday I forgot that I had not attached this jig I made for the warrior. Hadn't attached it to this turntable, and it almost fell off when I tried to adjust it because it tilted because it wasn't anchored down. It scared the heck out of me. I'm just gonna go over the legs a little bit, get rid of some of the scratches and marks that I've made over the last several weeks, and get it ready for going on the rock. I'm going to take the whole figure and set it aside. And dismantle my Lazy Susan. I'm going to drive a couple of long screws down into the clay. Just to anchor him on the rock. Gotta move this guy out of the way. that's the way she's going to be mounted. I just gotta anchor it in with some clay and make the rock look like a rock, hopefully. I may have to move him out of the way while I do that. He's going to be permanently on the rock, and in the molding stage they're going to have to cut him off the base. I'm not sure how they're going to do that. I'll find out this next week when I take this over to the foundry to get a bid on it. Also, by putting clay on here now, this will keep it in place. I gotta block out the base. Yeah. All right, I've just checked the measurement. The width of this base here is 7 inches. And I wanted to make sure I had a straight line from the edge of that board to here. And this works out to 7 inches exactly, which surprises me. I very seldom get things that right. Just checking how long this piece will be. It's going to be 20 and a half inches long by 7 inches wide or deep. And 13 and a half inches tall. Not bad. Now I'm gonna try to make this so I can take this figure off once the base is on. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the base on and worry about the rock later. But the screws I put in to hold him on the rock will keep him on the rock, but this clay that I'm putting on top of the base he's on is going to anchor it down even more. So that's going to be a good thing. It just occurred to me that I've got to make it so I can move this mountain man off the base. I don't know. It's going to have to go off this way. Let's see if that will work. Yeah. I think I'll put him just a little closer to the edge. There we go. That'll work. The only thing that might be a problem is that rifle butt. Well, I gotta figure it out. I have to be able to basically pull him this way, because then the rock won't be interfering with pulling him sideways out. But I've got to have a platform under the clay, or else the clay will just break off and not pull off properly. So I'm going to have to put him on this board here, which will raise him up a little bit. So I'll have to raise the rock up a little bit. All right, I'm going to put some glue down on that board so that he'll stay on the board. This is why I don't throw away any scraps out of my studio. Yeah, I didn't figure on that until just now. I'll bring the rock out a little bit more to touch his shoulder. And I've got to work on the rock behind him, so I'm going to have to pull him out to do all that. And the only way I can do that is once this glue hardens and I don't have to worry about him coming off of the board. I think I'm gonna screw him down to the board. There we go. All right. Well, that's where it is today. I'm really happy the way this turned out. A lot happier than I thought it was going to be. I don't like doing vignettes like this because it gets too stretched out. But this one kind of works. It really does need a little more rock up here. I think I'll try that right now. I've got to bring the rock out just a little bit more here. All I'm doing is plotting out what I'm going to have to do as far as the rock goes. Yeah, this will work out just fine. All right, everybody. Have a good night, and I'll see you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.